Email attachments to SharePoint. Email attachments to SharePoint is a Dynamics 365 add-on built specifically to address the needs of customers who want to fetch all email attachments of an entity record and selectively store them in a SharePoint. Currently, there is no such out-of-box functionality in Dynamics 365. So, customers are relying heavily on this add-on to address their business needs. And moreover, email attachments to SharePoint works in all CRM entities in relationship with documents. In this video, let's see the configuration and functionality of this add-on. Initially, navigate to CRM, Settings, Solutions. Click and open the Email Attachments to SharePoint solution. A configuration window is open which has email attachment to SharePoint displayed in it. Now, an email attachments to SharePoint window pops up. In Available Entities box, select the desired entity on which email attachments to SharePoint button is placed at bottom in form. For now, I am selecting Account Entity. Select the account entity here and move it to selected entities and click on Save button. You can observe that there is a notification which pops up called Changes Saved Successfully. That is, selected account entity is configured with email attachments to SharePoint. Click on OK. Now, let's complete the document management settings. Navigate to CRM, Settings, click on Document Management. And now here, click Document Management Settings. You can see that Document Management Settings window pops up. And select the account entity, and here you have to make sure that SharePoint site that is linked to your CRM is automated in the SharePoint site. Click on Next button. And now here, select folder structure has to be selected. For this, we need to check before based on entity option. You can observe that account entity automatically pops up upon checking that option. To proceed, click OK. You can observe that in the screen, document libraries are created at the selected SharePoint location. Click on Finish. Now, let's look into the functionality of email attachments to SharePoint add-on. Navigate to Sales, Account. Here, we will consider a sample account record. For example, a Datum Corporation record. Here, we will consider a scenario where there are some existing email attachments associated with an account record which are to be fetched and moved to SharePoint. Now, click on Email Attachments to SharePoint button configured on the account entity. You can observe that a window box pops up with all attachments available for the selected account record. Select all records or some records which you would like to move to SharePoint. And Click Upload. Under Related tab, select the Documents option. Now, select any of the uploaded files and click Open Location to see the files in SharePoint site. You will be redirected to the SharePoint site where email attachments are uploaded in specified location. In this way, you can fetch and upload multiple email attachments to SharePoint at the click of a button. Thanks for watching this video.